Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to deal with a short story written by Katherine Mansfield, and the title of the short story is Miss Brill. It is the story about an old woman. First of all, let's see the introduction of our today's lecture. Katherine Mansfield. The period of Katherine Mansfield is 1888 to 1923. She was born in New Zealand. After her early education, she moved to London to learn music and eventually spent the rest of her life in England. So, first of all, write down the meaning of this word eventually. Eventually means at the end of the time. Eventually means at the end of the time. So eventually she spent rest of her life in England. She found contemporary London artistically stimulating. So what is contemporary first of all? So contemporary means belonging to the present time, and the synonym for this word is modern. Contemporary means modern. She found London artistically stimulating. There is another unknown word for you, stimulating. So what is the meaning of this word stimulating? So stimulating means full of interesting, exciting ideas and making people to feel enthusiastic. So artistically stimulating, and there in London she established links with prominent British writer of that time. They were precisely prominent British authors like D.H. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. Let me tell you, D.H. Lawrence was basically famous for his novels and short stories. So she became the friend of these two prominent personalities in the area of literature, D.H. Lawrence as well as Virginia Woolf. After the publication of her first volume of short fiction, and the title of that short fiction was In a German Pension. In a German Pension, which was published in 1911. She actively associated herself with the editor and critic. He was critic as well as editor. Editor and critic John Middleton Murray. John Murray later on, whom she eventually married. Bliss and the Other Stories, which came later on in 1920 after the first publication In a German Pension, which came in 1911. About 9 years later on, she published Bliss and the Other Stories. This is the title, Bliss and Other Stories, which published in 1920, established her credentials as a short story fiction writer. So reinforced by her next collection, The Garden Party. This title is important. The Garden Party, because this story is related with this The Garden Party, which published in 1922. Mansfield's unpublished writings including her letters and journals, appeared after her death. That is, we can say posthumously. After the death of Mansfield, these things got published by the publishers. So the present story is taken from her collection. As I told you, this title is important. The story Miss Brill is taken from this short stories collection, that is the Garden Party, which was published in 1922. So the present story is taken from her collection, The Garden Party. So it is about a lonely old lady visiting a public park and getting carried away by the weather, the music and the people. So getting carried away, it is an idiom. So getting carried away means to get excited as well as lose one's own control, means to get attracted towards something easily. So she is getting carried away by the weather, lovely weather of course, the music as well as the people, those who are around her. But the feeling of elation, this is the new word, elation, E-L-A-T-I-O-N. So elation means feeling of great enthusiasm as well as excitement. Once again I am going to tell you the meaning of this word elation. Elation means the feeling of great excitement as well as great happiness. Here the feeling of this old lady, that is the elation and joy, is short-lived. You know why? Because as a pair of young lovers passes cruel remarks about her, bringing her back to the humdrum life. You know what is the meaning of this word humdrum? Humdrum means tedious life. Humdrum means boredom life. Humdrum means such life there is no excitement at all, there is no happiness at all, there is nothing and nothing. Thank you so much.